Hey everyone, donations have started coming in for our Jamaica hurricane relief. We're getting donations from our community, from our friends, and from the grocery stores. We also want to thank those who've donated through our GoFundMe, also those who have given us cash, and also those who have e-transferred us money. We want to thank everyone for doing that as well. And also, if anyone wants to donate to the GoFundMe, it will be listed in the description above. We just want to thank everyone again for your continuous support and prayers for the Jamaican people. As my husband says, be on our mission. Thanks everyone.